Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner with the help of Canva AI. So here on the search, just write down YouTube banner, click enter, and find the template which you can use, which fits you the best. It will be way easier to create that banner. So for example, I want to create a YouTube banner like a gaming channel. And this is the one I'm going to use. So I just wrote solve storm gaming. And we can leave tech review and subscribe button. We want to do I'm just gonna do it in this color maybe. And let's choose the colors like so. And maybe the font could be black maybe and more bold. And maybe let's just change it to a different one. Now, once we've done that, now we want to add that AI generated image, which would be like our background. So we can generate it here on Magic Media. As you can see, when you are on Elements, there is AI image generator. So you just click on it, and now you can enter 5 words to describe what you want to do. You can create images, graphics, or videos. So choose which one fits you the best. And let's, for example, choose images, like gamer woman with headphones as background. Let's try to generate it. Now you want to choose the style. So it's a photo, filmic, anime, watercolor, dreamy, or just none. And let's make it as a square. Or you can do a landscape, so it would fit a YouTube banner. Now, once we have it, if you don't like it, you can regenerate it and maybe remove. Maybe I want to do a transparent background. So I will write that down and generate again. Now, once we got our results, we want to click on the image we like. And now, if you don't like the background, all you do is click Edit Image and Background Remover. Of course, you need a Canva Pro to do this, but that's how you do this. Now you can make it bigger and fit it somewhere in the corner, just like so. And of course, we will need to edit this one, something like so, that the whole writing would show. It should fix this graphic in just a second. Now it looks a little bit weird, but basically here it is. Now you can do the same with other side and create something something gaming equipment, for example, and generate it. Now it's generated this one. I'm just gonna use it for the sake of this video. Maybe it's not the best. You should just write down everything very detailed, and then it should work very well. Now I'm just gonna push these somewhere here. And for example, let's rotate it. Now we can also do a normal subscribe button. We can find it somewhere here. Here it is. It would look way better. Maybe this one. Something like so. And here you have it. Now you can also change the background if you want to any of your liking. As you can see, it can be very bright, it can be different, or you can also do a gradients. which I also use quite often. So you can use them too and change the colors too. What we can also do is add a image shadow if we want. As you can see, it's outlined, or we can add some glow so it would pop up more. You can do this in white, for example, so it would show up more, just like so. The same goes for the text. You go to the effects, you can choose outline, shadow. So for the outline, it would look something like so. And I often use it too. Here it is. So basically that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.